more days till Christmas. I hope you have been sharing the information that we gave you yesterday concerning our promotion for you to win up to $13,000 for your wedding if you're getting married next year. Today we're going back to our craft, and it's a very simple one. We're going to create a brooch. Ding, 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 ding. You will be surprised how this brooch is very inexpensive and extremely easy to make. You will take a little research in terms of what design you want to do, but let's get to it. You will need glue, glitter, and in this case red glitter and green glitter, scissors, glue gun, and you'll need these corsage pins, which is like a pin with a flat back. You can get those at the craft stores or at the flower shop. And you'll also need crystal board, one that can go to your printer, or whichever is the thickest stock board that you can get that can go to your printer. And that's it. So I'm starting off with some images that I got on Google. I just typed in black Christmas tree pink images, and I actually got this angel, this ball, and this wreath under these images. So these are what I'm going to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is strengthen this. Now this is Bristol board. What I'm going to do is fold this in half. Stick these together. I did not realize that my camera had stopped working, but this process is very simple. What I'm doing here is I'm putting glue and then sprinkling glitter. So for the wreath, I put glue and sprinkled green glitter dust on the part that I wanted green, and then I put glue and sprinkled red glitter dust. To make sure that your glitter is on evenly, I used a pin just to make sure that all the glue that I put on is done evenly before I sprinkled my glitter on it. Okay, so we have put on the glitter and we let it dry, and the last stage is just to attach our pins to the back of our brooches. So just attach some glue, make glue gun, and this one goes behind the bow. And voila! The next one. Just like that, you have a very inexpensive brooch that you can use. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, please like or comment on them. Also remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on Facebook, on Instagram, or at JoJo Divine Design. Let's keep this countdown going tell your friends who are getting married next year about our promotion, and let's keep it going. We'll see you again tomorrow, guys, for another interesting video. Bye.